All right, guys, good morning once again. Drew Richards coming to you live, Shoals Weather StormTrack Center. If you're like me, you got weather radios going off. Severe thunderstorm warnings issued. A lot of places, Wayne and Lawrence counties in Tennessee is what I put on the title first. So if you hit that notification, Wayne and Lawrence counties in Tennessee, severe thunderstorm warning for you guys. Just as I was about to click the button to come live, Lauderdale and Colbert counties in northwest Alabama, severe thunderstorm warning for you as well. So again, thanks for joining us. Go ahead and share this live stream with anybody that may not know what's going on with the weather today. The only piece of good news I've still got is it looks like maybe we'll get this in and out of here pretty quickly today and end up with a halfway decent afternoon. But again, big time thunderstorms moving through Savannah, Tennessee right now. Watching wind reports. When they come through Selmer, Tennessee, we didn't get many high wind reports, so good news there. Nevertheless, don't let your guard down because these thunderstorms may produce a damaging wind gust very quickly. Let's get right over to radar. And go ahead and let me know in the comments, in the chat, where you're watching from, and we will be able to see that in real time. We'll answer any questions you may have as well. But you see all those yellow shaded polygons on your screen. Those are all severe thunderstorm warnings. Severe thunderstorm warning continues first for Hardin County in Tennessee. That goes until 10:15, it looks like. Yep. And again, that is for severe thunderstorm wind gust in excess of 60 miles per hour possible. Pretty much coming through Savannah and on the east side of Savannah right now. So we'll go ahead and zoom in and look at this line of thunderstorms coming into Clifton, Tennessee, in northwestern parts of Wayne County. Phil watching from Central Heights, glad to have you with us. Yep, you guys are in that new warning. We'll get to that here in just a minute. We'll talk about the Tennessee counties first, since that polygon was issued just about 2 minutes before Lauderdale and Colbert. All of Wayne County. So we're not going to basically list all the cities and communities in Wayne or Lawrence counties, because if you're in Wayne or Lawrence counties in Tennessee, you are included in this new severe thunderstorm warning polygon. We'll go ahead and get the details on that. Just for reference, it's for Lewis, Wayne, Lawrence, Murray, Perry, and Hickman counties. So a very large severe thunderstorm warning polygon that goes until 10:30. A line of severe thunderstorms is located from near Parsons to 6 miles southwest of Shiloh, Tennessee, moving east at 50 miles per hour. And again, your main threats are going to be 60 mile per hour wind gust and nickel-sized hail. Locations impacted include Lawrenceburg, Hohenwald, Centerville, Waynesboro, Linden, Mount Pleasant, Loretto, Collinwood, Summertown, Clifton, St. Joseph, Etheridge, Gordonsburg, Henryville, Flatwoods, and the Lutz area. So again, that is all of Wayne, all of Lawrence, all of Lewis counties in Tennessee. Severe thunderstorm warning goes until 10:30. Now, again, a little bit of good news. This line is a little bit broken. So notice the area just east of Savannah doesn't look quite as strong as the area near Clifton. So I don't think we'll have a big long line of 60 plus mile per hour wind gusts, but there will be pockets of damaging winds inside this line of thunderstorms as it moves through. So just prepare that you're going to be in one of those pockets of damaging winds as this thunderstorm approaches. Again, Cypress Inn, Lutz, Collinwood, Waynesboro, up to Clifton. Clifton, you're getting it right now. And I'm seeing a little bit of hail being detected up there north of Clifton. So that little triangle you see on radar, that's showing about nickel-sized hail north of Clifton. When you see that little purple shade there, that is a stronger part of the thunderstorm that may have higher wind gusts associated with it. Sliding down into northwest Alabama, the Weather Service went ahead and issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lauderdale and Colbert as well. Remember, we told you at the top of the stream, Columbus, Mississippi NextRad went down about an hour ago. So if you're using your phone apps today tracking the storms, you're going to have to use Memphis NextRad right now when these storms are a little bit closer to Memphis. But then as they get into northwest Alabama and middle Tennessee, we're going to have to flip over to High Top NextRad over east of Huntsville, because our Columbus, Mississippi NextRad is offline. So if you're using that on your phone app today trying to track storms, just again a heads up, Columbus is no good. Hopefully they'll get that repaired quickly so we can use that today. But right now, Columbus NextRad remains offline. Jordan watching from right in the middle of that polygon near the Lewis County line. So Jordan, yep, you are. Let's put a marker. These storms are about 20 miles west of you. So these will be here within 20 to 30 minutes. So heads up. Like I said, Jordan, let us know in the comments after we end this live update what you get when these storms get to your location. But prepare for damaging wind gusts, possibly over 60. Northwest Alabama, like I said, all of Lauderdale, pretty much. There's a sliver from Anderson down to Rogersville that's not included in that polygon, but pretty much all of Lauderdale and the entire Colbert County severe thunderstorm warning. That goes until 10:30. Severe thunderstorms located from Savannah to Shiloh, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. And again, this is for damaging wind gusts 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Florence, Muscle Shoals, Sheffield, Tuscumbia, Killen, Cherokee, Littleville, Lexington, Leeton, and St. Florine. So again, damaging wind gust over 60 possible. We did have a 65 mile per hour wind gust earlier back just east of Memphis in Oakland, Tennessee. So again, early heads up. Really round one coming in now. This is coming a little bit earlier than the models anticipated. Got up early this morning and watched the SPC outlook come out about 7:30, and the models were suggesting round one would be here between noon and 2 p.m. But just like they are a lot of times, models aren't always correct. So this is a early sneak-in attack from round one, coming mainly against southern Middle Tennessee counties. Round two, west of Corinth right there, that is moving southeast. So if the most of northwest Alabama gets missed by this first line, you'll probably get impacted by line two, which is back near Ripley and west of Corinth. And like I showed you earlier, check out in Arkansas, round three coming in. We had a wind gust of 49 right now in Stuttgart, Arkansas with that round three, and that is pushing due east. Going to probably move through northern Mississippi and into parts of northwestern Alabama probably after lunchtime today. Hopefully that will be it. This looks like the winds are shifting around in northeast Arkansas. Dew points have dropped into the mid-60s in Jonesboro. Believe it or not, this is a cold front coming through in August the 7th. I know, it's kind of wild, unheard of. We do have some wind shear in place, and like we talked about on the last update, the Storm Prediction Center says we will be getting a weather watch sometime soon. They did mention the threat of tornadoes, especially in Tennessee today, so I can't rule out that being a tornado watch that's issued for portions of Tennessee, maybe some of North Alabama, Northeast Mississippi. If it's not a tornado watch, it for sure will be a severe thunderstorm watch when they issue that. So like I said, go ahead and share this live update. We're live on our Facebook page, our Twitter page, and on YouTube. And I know a lot of people don't pay attention to the weather, so this may be a shock when these storms come blasting in here in just a little bit. Let's see if our Columbus Next Rad happens to be back online before we end. Nope, it is still off. So we'll keep an eye on that Columbus, Mississippi Next Rad today. Hopefully we get that back at some point. But with that, like I said, new severe thunderstorm warnings while we did the break-in. Lauderdale, Colbert, northwest Alabama. Wayne and Lawrence counties in Tennessee. And is it back? Oh, it just come back. Sweet. No, I'm on Memphis. Hang on. All right. We've got it on another program. So yeah, maybe they are. Yeah, hopefully we'll get Columbus, Mississippi. Boom, it's back. We have Columbus, Mississippi Next Rad back. So that is some good news right here at the end of this live update. That is the eyes in the sky for northwest Alabama and especially Wayne and Hardin counties in Tennessee. Columbus Next Rad is a little bit closer than Memphis and a little bit closer than the Huntsville Next Rad. So glad to have that back. That will help us see what's going on in these thunderstorms today. So with that, Drew Richards live in the Shoals Weather StormTrack Center. We'll be back if they issue more warnings. Stay weather aware today, stay safe, and thanks for watching this live update.